hope you're all doing well. I'm just popping up today with a project share. Today I'm just showing you some tags I made using various different digital kits, and also use the collaboration kit from Artie Mays, which is Andrea and Tracie Fox, using their TAG FAB-rication kit. So I thought I'll just show you what I made with those. So my first lot I've made using a Tracie Fox digital, and it's all in purples. So this is the first one, and I used some Tim Holtz die cuts on here. This is from Artsology. I'm not 100%, but I'll put all the links down below. And just some lace on the top. And this is another one. And these are the Shabby Doodahs numbers, Tina's numbers. And I did a wax seal on this one in some purples to match. The next lot are larger tags, and I used another digital by Chapter 1 Papers using their Shabby floral papers. And I used some old vintage music, some appliques, some pearls, bits and pieces, all I had on my desk. And I just had some lace on the top there. Look at that hydrangea. Beautiful. And I used some scrap paper and made some tassels just up the top. And these ones. And I made another large tag using Tracie Fox purple kit. Can't remember the name, but once again it will be in a description box. I just put some lace, and I've got a floral image in the charm, and some more of the Tim Holtz die cuts. I love this set of die cuts. And this one just flips open, and I've just put some little bits and pieces, and that's just held with another wax seal. And it just pops back open, and it's blank on the back. I was really happy with how that one turned out. Just a bit of seam binding. The next lot are using the TAG FAB-rication kit, and a lot of the products is also by Tim Holtz. I used everything in my stash. I thought I might as well use it up. And this is a double tag. And all these images, except for the paper doll, are from the kit. And this gentleman, just some twine up the top and a little metal tag, and all the images are from the kit. And these are three tags here that are layered. Once again from the kit. The young man and his dog. And this lady. And these are some of the Tim Holtz die cuts. And some sari silk at the top. It's all from the kit. And I just put a button and a sentiment on the pin bulb there. And this is all the stitching on the digital. Oh, there's no way I can sew like that. Never, not in my wildest dreams. Another one from the kit. I used two of the larger ones to layer it up, and the Tim Holtz dies and the Tim Holtz dolls. and a little crocheted flower. This one is one of my favourites. I was happy how this gentleman turned out. I'll just put a little binder clip on top, and all the images are from the kit. And this sweet little girl, and then I used some of the acetate wings from Tim Holtz, the paper doll, and the mushroom, and all the graphics are from the kit except for the die cuts, which I did that in cream and in some vellum, and just a little charm and a button and a sequin. And I have another little girl. And this is a Tracie Fox label. It's a little one that I had left on the desk, and I've got some seam binding on top. This one I've created a see-through tag, and I use most of this is embellishments, the butterfly stickers, and the little woods up here are from Which Craft Can You Do, as is all the sari silk. That's where I purchased that from. And this is just an old Kaiser stamp, and some more labels that I just had lying around. Next I've got this young lady, fairy lady, and I'll put her calendar for next year, because I think we're all over this year already, so bring on the new year. And I just got some lace and some very pale pink seam binding, and on here I've got a gold charm with a tree and just a little crystal bead, and the tags are from the kit, and just a little bit of tiny lace that I cut from the edge here on the bottom. And you can't make tags without making a few Christmas tags, so I used the kit and some Tim Holtz ephemera. He's a very cute Santa, or Father Christmas. And I've got the young boy, and some more sari silk. Oops. And I have a poinsettia here, and some rustic boughs, and another charm with 25 in it. And we have another St. Nicholas, and some more little boughs. And this is also from Which Craft Can You Do? Also, Which Craft Can You Do? It's a pretty cool store, and it's got some awesome products in there. And my last one, and just some old, more vintage paper, music paper, and some more of the ephemera from the Tim Holtz pack. I think this is from the Noel pack, and pine cones, and some more bells and sari silk. Very simple. So that's some tags. They were really fun to create. You can't go wrong with tags, and I look forward to making up some more. I've got this much room, as you can see, and I'm just covered in stuff. I've got about 5 projects going. I really should just concentrate on one, finish it, and move on to the next, but you just don't, do you? Well, anyway guys, I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and keep smiling. Thank you for stopping by again. Bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.